Yes, guys, the most awaited video is here. You have asked me so many times that how did I learn English? How did I learn English spoken coming from a Hindi medium school? And I thought I would make a video, but and even if I tried to change the niche of my channel, but still you guys were, how did you learn the language? So I thought I will have to make this video. So there is a most important rule for learning any language, which is called LSWR rule. L for listening, S for speaking, W for writing, and R for reading. So today we are going to pick the L part one. Now listen to me why this L listening is so much important. So have you ever thought how a foreigner people's children learns this English language so effortlessly, and we are here from India suffer a lot to learn this language. A little child can learn, we can't. Yes, we can't because of lack of environment. To how to react in English, how to shout in English, how to be happy in English. That's all these things he learns from the environment only. So environment is so crucial for learn this language. Now you will say I don't have the environment. Even I didn't have the environment. Not at all. Still I don't have anyone who speaks English around me. So but I made the environment. And I'll tell you today how did I make this environment. So let's start with 2016. I was always into learning English from my childhood only. I have shared this thing so many times, okay. And I was good student academically, so I was good in tenses. So grammar you have to be good a little bit. YouTube became my teacher to learn this language, to change my environment completely. Before going to bed, this was my routine. I was so enthusiastic person, so this was my routine to listen or watch a TED Talks video. It was motivational. I would get motivated, and along with it, I was learning the language. I was learning new words, how to express yourself. Expressing is the language, okay, and expressing is the important part to learn any language. What is the benefit of any language? Or you have to express your emotions, your thoughts. You have to tell it to other person. So I was learning all of that while watching and enjoying it. So it is so much important for you. Whatever you're watching, it should interest you. It should be your interest based. And that was the thing happening with me. Then after watching it, I would get sleep. It was all settling in my brain. Then gradually I got addicted to it. So I would watch video. I would put any video, any podcast or a TED Talks video, put my earpods on, and then I'm watering the plants, I'm walking, I'm just listening all the while. And yes, I don't suggest you putting AirPods or earphone whole day. You have to make a limit of it. You have to also aware of it, of the health of your ear. I hope you are getting my point. I wasn't using earphones all the while. So you have to do it for a little time, then switch it off, then for a little time. So this is important. I changed my interest according this, and my interest was listening English, so I would listen it. So this was the thing, TED Talks videos. Then comes IELTS interviews. What a vocabulary in IELTS interviews they use, because it's especially the exam for the English learning based. So the vocabulary is so fantastic, phenomenal over there. So I would listen to that, and I was interested to know how much marks they have gotten, and I have written down the key points, so I don't forget anything. So yeah, then I would listen. Sometimes I am in a low mood, I would listen English communications over YouTube. Normal English. They're just communicating with each other. How are you? How was your day? Did you enjoy your day? What is the best thing happened in this day? All these normal conversation. And I was into vlogs as well, watching vlogs. So I would watch YouTubers vlogs like Mansi Mao, Mridul Sharma. I still watch them. I still do follow them to them, and other YouTubers, because I wanted to learn, watch the lifestyle of people. Everyone is into that, intriguing about that. But we do all these things in Hindi, in our mother tongue. So why not to do this to the English language we want to learn? And yeah, at the beginning, initially you won't understand everything. Use subtitles. Eventually you will understand. You will get familiar with their voice, with the sound of the English words and the formation of the sentence. And the next thing, I would watch news. I'm watching TV, so I would watch English news. I'm not getting anything over there, but I'm just enjoying. I'm listening English. It makes your brain familiar with the language, with everything you want. So you have to be familiar. You have to change your environment. Like everywhere you are just watching English, you are just into English. Yes, there will be gaps, there will be breaks. So I'm not saying that completely go into that. Okay? If you're watching a movie also, and if you're watching it on a repeat, you can watch that movie with subtitles, and you can read the English subtitles of the sentences whenever you feel like how to call it in English. So look over there as well. Then news. If you're doing anything, just put on a podcast or a song. English songs, best thing for the pronunciation and the for tonality of everything. So if you don't know the pronunciation of any word, I would do that thing a lot. Put it on Google and check the pronunciation. It exaggerate every sound. It makes it so clear for you to understand, and you can then repeat it. Because once I wanted to learn speaking exaggeration, but I didn't know how to say this word, so I searched on Google. Then it suggested me some pronunciations, and everything went easy. Exaggeration, now it's easy for me. Spontaneous, new words I learned, so many new words. Then listen it as much as you can. Okay, you have gotten it. And vlogs, I have told you already. Familiar, watch shows, watch English shows. Everyone is into them. So there's so much free shows available over YouTube. You can watch them. English shows, obviously the vocabulary is fantastic, the pronunciation, everything is good over there. Then comes if you have Netflix, you can watch Friends, the most interesting show, comedy show. Everyone likes that. So many people likes that. Okay, so I'm talking so fast. I hope you're getting everything, because sun is on my head. It's for the quality purpose only. Okay, so watch TV shows and comedy shows or Friends, English conversation videos, English teaching videos. So watch also English teaching videos over YouTube. Yes, you're watching mine also, but you can watch other people as well. So whoever you think their pronunciation, their talking style interests you the most, watch them the most. You can watch mine as well. Okay, that brings us to the end. English, and I would also watch the spirituality, manifestation and everything over YouTube. So I was into that, and I'm still. So self-growth is happening in silence, but English is happening in loud voice. Deep meaning inside, besides, behind it. Okay. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. And if you like these kind of videos, give this a big thumbs up and comment down below what is your problem. And in my next video, I'll bring a topic of what is the next topic? LS. So speaking we are going to talk about. So stay tuned for that.